So let's talk about the new Whiteboard or Google Jam feature in Google Meet. So I'm in my Google Classroom and I'm going to go, and I've joined a Google Meet. I'm going to go to the three little dots on the bottom, and you'll notice at the top it now says Whiteboard. Open a Jam. So you can choose an existing Jamboard that you have created in your Google Drive. Okay, so I've done this a couple days ago, and I'm just going to bring it in and have my students interact in the web, this 6-word memoir, for example, Miss Cravaro's 6-word memoir. So it works exactly like Jamboard does. You will have a index here on the side. My other option is to create a whiteboard right within Google Meet. So we're having a conversation and I want student input. So I'm going to go to those three dots again. I'm going to go open a jam or whiteboard, but this time I'm going to put start a new whiteboard. Now, unfortunately, you would think that all of the students in my Google Classroom, because I opened this up in Google Meet through Google Classroom, would be able to automatically edit it. But unfortunately, I still have to click that share button and I still have to give editing rights to my students. Okay, so I make sure that they are editors. And done. And you'll notice that the Google Meet link from Google Classroom is what my name is, or the jam name. If you don't have time, because again, you're doing this on the fly, you can always change this later. But I'm going to add your voice or whatever the topic is. And okay. And so now you have a Jamboard that has been created really quickly without you having to close a tab and go somewhere else. And then your students will be able to access it. And that's it. You are in your Google Meet and it will show up in your Google Drive like all of your other Jamboards.